In Chung Station, go to exit F2. When you exit, just walk straight. And when you saw this, turn to your right side. Cross the road and turn to your left side. Continue walking until you reach the Hongkong Street. This is the Hongkong Street. Just walk straight until you reach the minibus stop station. This is the minibus station. Take minibus number 43 or 43S. After that, go down to the last bus station of Sukwan Wat. This is the last stop of Sukwan Wat. This is the starting point. Let's go! If you reach the intersection, turn right. Just continue the Maklihos Trail. If you reach this, turn to your right side. Just follow the Maklihos Trail. Take shortcut. famous and Reservoir Island viewpoints. Tailam Chung Reservoir, commonly referred to as the Thousand Island Lake, is perhaps the most photographed and recognizable reservoir in Hong Kong. Located in Tailam Country Park in Chung, the Thousand Island Lake is named after the similar reservoir in Zhejiang province in China. The islands in the reservoir were once hills before the Tailam Chung Valley was flooded. Today, the island makes this one of the most popular and Instagram reservoir in the city. We're here in Reservoir Island viewpoints. Built in 1957, the reservoir is often referred to as the Lake of the Thousand Islands, once an open valley with many small hills, now flooded. It has created a stunning freshwater archipelago that sits apart from all other reservoirs in Hong Kong.
Can you see the light in the sky? Oh, that is my little gift for your life. Many times